what's in my bag? Everyday essentials I can't live without. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aisha, and in today's video, I'm going to take you through all the everyday essentials I carry in my bag. Whether it's tech gadgets, skincare products, or even snacks, these are the items I simply cannot live without. These items help me stay organized, keep me feeling prepared, and ensure that I'm ready for anything life throws at me. I know we all have those little must-haves that make our day easier, so I'm excited to share mine with you. Let's dive right in and see what's inside my bag. 1. The bag itself. Before we dive into the contents, let me quickly show you the bag that carries it all. This tote bag has been my go-to for a while now. It's large enough to hold everything I need, but not too bulky, so I can easily carry it around. I love this bag because it's both functional and stylish. It has multiple compartments to help me stay organized, which is key for me since I tend to carry a lot of stuff. I opted for a neutral color, something that matches almost every outfit I own, so it's super versatile. It's practical, yet I still feel like it adds a nice touch of elegance to my daily look. 2. My phone and charger. Let's start with the essentials. I'm sure you're not surprised that my phone is always with me. My phone is my lifeline. It keeps me connected, helps me stay on top of work, and lets me unwind with a bit of social media or entertainment. I also use my phone for navigation, setting reminders, and even tracking my health and fitness goals. You can imagine how important it is for me to keep it fully charged, so I always make sure I have a charger or a portable power bank in my bag. I've had a few close calls where my phone dies, and I end up stranded without GPS or a way to contact someone. So, now I carry a portable charger everywhere. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. And I'm not just carrying my phone alone, I also have a set of wired headphones or my wireless earbuds. These are essential for me when I'm on the go, whether I'm taking a call, listening to a podcast, or enjoying some music to pass the time. I'll often reach for them while waiting in a queue or when I'm commuting to stay entertained or productive. They're small and easy to store in my bag's smaller pockets, so it's perfect. 3. Skincare essentials. Next, let's talk skincare. I'm a firm believer in taking care of my skin throughout the day, which is why I always have a few skincare items in my bag. One of the first items I reach for is my hand cream. I wash my hands a lot, and if I don't use hand cream, they get dry and cracked. I've tried many hand creams, but I always go back to one that's lightweight and non-greasy, so I can quickly rub it in and get back to whatever I'm doing without feeling oily. Another must-have is my lip balm. If you live in a place with fluctuating weather or you're always on the go, you know how easily lips can become dry or cracked. I always keep a tube of lip balm in my bag, preferably one with SPF to protect my lips from the sun. It's a small thing, but it makes such a difference in keeping my lips soft and smooth. I also carry a small face mist. Sometimes, my skin can get dull or dehydrated, especially after long hours of work or travel, so a quick spritz of face mist is an instant pick-me-up. It hydrates my skin and leaves me feeling refreshed, which is why I can't live without it. It's also amazing in the summer months when the heat is unbearable, or when I'm out for long periods of time. 4. My planner and notebooks. Now, onto organization. If you know me, you know I'm all about staying organized, so I carry my planner and a few notebooks with me. My planner is a total lifesaver. It's where I jot down all my tasks, appointments, and goals. I like to be intentional about my time, so having a physical planner helps me map out my day and keep track of what's important. I love the feeling of writing things down with a pen. It helps me remember things better. There's also something so satisfying about crossing off completed tasks. That feeling of accomplishment pushes me to keep going, which is why I always have it with me. I also carry a notebook to jot down random thoughts, ideas, or inspirations as they come to me throughout the day. Whether it's a YouTube idea or just something I want to remember later, having a notebook on hand makes it easy to keep track of everything. 5. Sunglasses. A pair of sunglasses is another essential I always carry, especially if I know I'm going to be outdoors. Not only do sunglasses protect your eyes from harmful UV rays, but they also give any outfit a little extra flair. I love having a pair in my bag just in case I'm caught out in the sun. It's amazing how much they can elevate your style, while also keeping you comfortable and protected from the sun's glare. I always go for a classic, timeless design, something that's practical but still fashionable. 6. Snacks and water bottle. Let's talk about fuel. I'm always on the go, and I can get really hungry between meetings or errands. So, I always carry a water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day. It's so much better than constantly buying bottled water, plus it's more eco-friendly. I make sure to fill it up before I leave the house, and I keep it with me wherever I go. Alongside my water bottle, I also pack a few snacks. I prefer to keep things healthy, so I'll bring along a handful of almonds, granola bars, or even some fruit. Having a quick snack available helps me avoid making unhealthy food choices when hunger strikes, and it keeps my energy levels up throughout the day. A healthy snack is just one of those little things that makes a huge difference in how I feel and perform. 7. Wallet and keys. Obviously, I also have my wallet with me at all times. My wallet is small but practical. It holds my credit cards, ID, and some cash. I keep it organized with a coin pocket and card slots, so I can quickly grab whatever I need. I've learned that a small, minimalist wallet is the way to go since it fits perfectly in my bag without taking up too much space. My keys are also a must-have. I keep all my essential keys on a keychain that's cute and easy to spot. I have keys to my house, car, and office, and I always make sure they're in a spot that's easy to grab. I love how my keychain adds a little bit of personality to my bag, but more importantly, it keeps my keys accessible and organized. 8. Headphones. Music, podcasts, or audiobooks, whatever it is, I always carry my wireless headphones. Whether I'm listening to an audiobook on my way to an appointment, or catching up on a podcast while waiting for my coffee, having a set of wireless headphones with me allows me to stay entertained and productive wherever I am. They're so compact, and I love how they fit into my bag without taking up too much space. They've become an absolute must-have for me, especially when I need to zone out or relax. 9. Tissues and wet wipes. You never know when you might need tissues or wet wipes, so I always carry a pack. They're incredibly practical for cleaning up messes, wiping my hands when I don't have access to soap and water, or even for freshening up if I'm out for a long day. I love how small and portable they are, and I always feel more prepared knowing I have a solution for unexpected situations. Finally, I always make sure to have hand sanitizer with me. Whether I'm traveling, eating on the go, or just trying to avoid germs, hand sanitizer is something I use regularly throughout the day. It's compact, it dries quickly, and it gives me peace of mind knowing that I can clean my hands without needing to find a sink. And there you have it, everything that's inside my bag and all the everyday essentials I can't live without. These items keep me organized, feeling refreshed, and ready for whatever the day throws at me. I hope you enjoyed this peek into my bag, and maybe even got some inspiration for your own must-have items. Let me know in the comments what you always carry with you. I'd love to hear about your everyday essentials. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.